you doing? It's your girl Tanika Dion, back with another video. Today's look is Valentine's Day inspired. Just a look that I came up with. And by the way, this is my first time ever doing a cut crease. And I think I did pretty good. I could use some improvements, some tweaks and things, because one of my eyes is more hooded than the other. So I thought that I would have to use more glitter than the other one, but kind of turns out it looks a little funky. But you know, you hold that camera and lighting and all that stuff in the right way, you can't even tell. But on the video, you may be able to tell, but I don't care. But anyway, this is the look that I came up with, and I think it's very, very cute and Valentine's Day ready. So here we are. It's so cute. See the glitter? Yeah. Look at that glow, y'all. God damn, look at that glow. Woo! All right, anyway. And yeah, and this is a pony. My first time also wearing a pony. A quick pony that I got from the store. It is so cute. I love it. It's very long. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's my first time and I will be getting more. It is so fast and so cute though. Anywho, alrighty. So, before we get into the video, if you would please just subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment on the video, and share the video. That would really help your girl out. I really, really, really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching with me or sticking with me so far. I really, really, really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get into the video. Yes, alrighty. I am starting off with the Patrick Starr palette, Patrick Starr and Matte collaboration. This is his spring collection palette. I'm not sure of the name at this time, but of course it will be in the description box below. And I'm using the 3 colors I just showed you for the look today. Right now I am taking the lighter shade, the matte color, and putting it in the crease as well as above the crease. Going in with that bluish purpley color in the palette now. And I'm also adding that to the crease. See, that deepens up the crease. See, that's why that first transition color you want to put in the crease as well as above the crease, so that when you add that darker color, that first color will still show up. So you have the first color you can see, and then you have the crease color, which you can also see. And that's what you're looking to do. So always the transition color in the crease and slightly above the crease. All right, and now I am taking my LA Colors Conceal It concealer in the color medium, and I am going to attempt to cut this crease here for the first time on camera, for the first time ever actually. And I just put the concealer on, and then I look up so that concealer lines the top of my eye, so I can, you know, it'll give me sort of a guideline to do the cut crease so that I know where I want the crease to be carved out at. And then nextly, I just fill in my eyelid with the concealer, and with a brush, I take that concealer and try to draw a crease, build my own crease, if you will. Now that my concealer is laid and the crease is carved out to the best that I can do, I'm going in with my third color here, and this is the lid color that I have chosen in the palette, which is a very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pink, very Valentine's Day-ish. So, yeah. I'm taking my NYX Gold Glitter Liner and I am adding that to the crease. Well, actually, I'm adding it to the line where I carved out my crease, and this gold glitter is just like covering that line up. The glitter actually gives it a lot of sparkle and makes it really sexy and date nightish, and it just looks really good at night when you're sitting across from your boo thing and you blink those eyes and you see all that shimmer. It's just so cute. Anywho, and so you just keep applying that liner until you have it built up to the thickness or intensity that you like it to be. All right, and that's about it for that. So I will do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Both eyes are complete now. I did the exact same thing to the other eye, but I also added NYX Black Liquid eyeliner above the eye to make a small wing liner. And I also added some lashes. And now I am going back in with those same two colors, the pink and purple, and bringing that down under my lash line. Time for my favorite part, which is the setting spray, finishing spray, whatever you want to call it. And of course, I am using the Skindinavia. And now that I added the finishing spray, I am adding some more of my highlight, which is the LauraLee Los Angeles highlight in sugar and spice. I really love this highlight. That thing gives you so much glow. Love it. All right, and here it is time for me to add the my lipstick of choice, which is the Retro Mac. I'm not sure of the color right now. It will be in the description, as will every product that I've used today. And this is pretty much the whole look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, I've already gelled up my hair and just got it in a ponytail. So I just used the cannabis gel here by Eco Styler. Just use this and my brush. That's it. All right, so now let's go ahead and do this. This is my first time wearing a drawstring ponytail, so I have no idea what to expect and how to do it. I just gonna go by the instructions here and do what it says. And looks like I've already done that. Hair in the ponytail, put it up, all that. Okay, so I did all of that, and let's go ahead and take it out. And her name is Paloma. It's in the color 1, and as you already know, I dyed my hair a 1B, a silky 1B, but it's the same color, whether it's 1B, I mean 1B, whatever. Black is black anyway. All right, looks nice, I guess. You know, like I said, it's my first time wearing a drawstring ponytail. So let's take this thing out here, cut it off. So now I see that you're supposed to, I guess, take it out of this hairnet thing here. I am so new to this, y'all. I wear braids and singlies and cornrows. I even wear wigs, which I'm also not good at. I've only owned like 2 wigs in my life, and I don't even wear them like these girls be out here like doing the most to make them things look good by slicking down them edges and baby hairs and all that. I have a wig and I just put it on just so that it doesn't, tight enough so that it doesn't fall off. I'm not doing all the extra. Well, no, I'm not saying I'm not doing it. I haven't because I didn't know how, because I am not a wig person at all. But I want to be, because I want to be like all these girls. They be looking hot. They be looking fly, y'all. So anyway, I'll get into that soon because I'm getting ready to start watching YouTube like crazy on those wig stuff so I can do some things. But anyway, like I said, first time doing a drawstring. It looks pretty good, I guess. But to me, it looks nice. I like it. All right, and so looks like it has a comb here and a comb here and the drawstring. Okay, so this is so cute, and this is so cute. Anyway, all right, let's go ahead and make this thing do what it do. Let me get back with this card because it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory, but let me see. Put your hair up into a bun or a ponytail and secure the piece over it with the pre-attached combs. Pull the drawstring to tighten, wrap it around your ponytail. Style it as you desire. Okay, then that's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to take it over my pony, my own pony, I guess, and stick the comb in the top, I guess. I guess that's what you're supposed to do. Stick the comb in the top and kind of tuck my own ponytail up in here. All right, say, and then, what the hell? Wait a minute here. Is this right? I don't think that's right. Let me start over, y'all, because I don't know what the hell. Told y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. What the hell is going on here? The hell is going on here? All right, so hold on, let me look at this thing again. I should have put my hair in a damn bun. It would have been easier. But I'm trying to do what this thing say. Okay. I'm having some issues here, y'all. Some freaking issues. And then supposed to take the comb in the back. All right, got that. Got it. All right, got the combs tucked in. And pull this drawstring thing. Pull this. Supposed to pull it tight, right? Is this in the right spot up front? Okay. I'm feeling a little bit better. Then you're supposed to pull this, I'm guessing. This little doohickey. And pull that thing up real tight. Because you don't want to be walking out the house thinking you looking all cute and crap. And then that thing just fall off. You swinging it fall off. It doesn't say to wrap, but I think I'm gonna wrap this thing around because I don't want no issues. Should I, or should I, can I let it, should I wrap it around? Will it look right? I think I'm gonna wrap it around and then secure it with a hairpin right here. I think I'm gonna secure it because I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know how they are. So secure that thing down, wrap it. All right, I didn't bring no brush, but it's pretty long, y'all. Look at that thing. It's pretty long. Hey, okay, swing it, cause we ain't gonna be out in these streets with the hair falling out. All right now. Okay, y'all. This is cute. Alrighty. Cute. Okay. So that was very easy. That's why it's called a quick pony.